The most common green object that every room has is the clock. If you want to hide the camera, clock is the best place. But we realize there are not many clock cameras that are reliable. Hence, we created a list of the 5 best spy camera clocks after a lot of research. There are many products available to choose from best spy camera clock, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best spy camera clock from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. LISDI Wi-Fi Hidden Spy Camera. A digital clock that could do all things that a spy camera can do is the best possible combination. As a spy camera, it has an attractive package. It comes with features like night vision, motion activation, HD camera, loop recording, push alert on phone, and many more. It is perfect for keeping an eye on your kids, nanny, intrusion, or office. Even if you don't connect it to your camera, it stores the videos and images on the South Dakota card. Like a real clock, it does everything from showing time to alarm. If you look at the unit, you wouldn't even know it is a camera. We checked the quality of the videos it records using its 1080p lens. The pictures are quite clear, and you can easily make out the details from 8 to 10 meters. For night vision images, we would say images are much clearer when the subject is within 8 meters. Also, the motion sensors activate the camera only when there is movement within 8 to 10 meters, which is more than enough. Number 2. SCS IMX323 Spy Camera. Most of the clocks that we have mentioned are desk clocks. A wall clock has an advantage over table clocks. It has better coverage due to its location. Since it is right against the wall and at height, the entire room is visible. If you want a camera that covers a larger area, we recommend you consider using a wall clock spy camera. And it also few popular spy camera companion apps like Live, Blue Iris, and Crispy. We tested the quality of the video it captures. Though it uses only a 720p resolution camera, you can make out the small details if you examine the footage on a laptop or desktop. Also, the wide angle allows the camera to cover even the bigger room. We use it to cover a room of size 15x15 feet. Even in low light conditions, we were able to see the faces of our volunteers at a distance of 20 feet. In order to store videos, it uses an 8GB South Dakota card, which means you can store 36 hours of videos. Number 3. Omples Spy Camera. The Omples has the perfect spy camera clock which has all the features that you require for a spy camera. The best part of the clock is that the camera is well hidden. Even if you look closely, you won't be able to see the camera lens. In addition, you see the video recording or live stream on your phone using the Omples app. It is perfect for the living room and drawing room. We look at the images and videos the camera captures. As it uses a 1080p resolution camera, you get full HD videos that show the details clearly. Even the night vision is good. You can easily identify the details if the subject is around 8 to 10 meters. There is no wide-angle lens, but we think it is not needed if you are using it for small to medium-sized rooms. To give you an idea, use the cameras for rooms of size 15x15 feet. More than that, you might need wide-angle cameras. Since it uses Wi-Fi for connectivity, you can live stream videos from the camera to your phone. Number 4. Miyota Spy Camera. The Miyota is one of the most beautiful looking hidden camera alarm clocks that we have tested. A modern looking design that fits perfectly with any modern interior. It's not just a clock, you can use it as a Bluetooth speaker. The digital clock uses a wireless spy camera that is well concealed on the display and has all the necessary features of a spy camera. Due to the use of a 1080p camera, get full HD videos and images. If the subject is within 6 to 8 meters of the camera, you can see the face and other details clearly. There is no zoom function, but due to full HD pictures, you can zoom pictures while reviewing the videos. When the camera is connected to Wi-Fi, you can see the live stream on its companion app. The app also allows you to set different alerts depending on your need. We like the fact that night vision is automatically triggered during low light conditions. Number 5. Rises Technology Top Secret Spy Camera. With most of the camera clocks we have tested, you have to either require a laptop or phone to review the videos. But with Rises Technology Company Camera Mini Clock, you get a 2-inch screen right on the clock. Apart from being a camera, it can be used as a radio as well as a clock. We also like the metal design, which gives it a premium looking clock. It could if it is in any room. The resolution of the camera is just 480p, which is way lower than the other cameras that we mentioned. But if you place it in the right spot, you will be able to capture high quality videos. It has no wireless connectivity, which means no live streaming. However, the good thing is you don't have to connect to a laptop or phone. Instead, you can directly view the video on the screen. The screen size is only 2-inch, and if you want to examine the minute details, it won't be of help. You will have to connect it to a laptop for further examination. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.